Today, I am reviewing the HP 17.3-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 17.3-inch Laptop 17 CP2199NR is a powerhouse for students, professionals, and casual users who want a large display without compromising on performance. Right from the start, this laptop impresses with its massive 17.3-inch HD Plus anti-glare display, offering crisp visuals with 1.4 million pixels. The low-gloss, non-reflective panel ensures minimal glare, making it perfect for outdoor use or bright environments. Watching movies, browsing photos, or streaming your favorite shows is immersive, thanks to the vibrant color reproduction and wide viewing angles. Under the hood, the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor delivers smooth and efficient performance. With multiple cores and threads, it handles multitasking, productivity apps, and entertainment effortlessly. Coupled with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, this laptop allows for responsive and fluid performance, even when juggling multiple applications at once. The 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast storage, making boot-ups almost instantaneous and giving you plenty of room for files, documents, and media without slowing down the system. Graphics are powered by AMD Radeon integrated graphics, making casual gaming, photo editing, and streaming experiences visually rich and fluid. While it's not a dedicated gaming machine, this setup easily handles everyday creative tasks and entertainment, giving you smooth visuals without hiccups. The HP True Vision HD camera ensures clear video calls, even in low light. Coupled with AI noise reduction, conversations are crisp and background sounds are filtered out, allowing you to focus on what matters most. A physical camera shutter ensures privacy and security when the camera is not in use. This is perfect for remote work, online learning, and video conferencing. One of the unique features of this laptop is the comfortable lift-hinge design. This subtle design lifts the keyboard slightly while typing, improving ergonomics and making long typing sessions more comfortable. The full-size keyboard includes a numeric keypad, adding extra convenience for work, spreadsheets, or calculations. The one-touch Microsoft Copilot button gives instant access to AI-powered assistance for productivity, research, and creative tasks, saving time and making workflows smoother. Connectivity options are modern and versatile, with multiple USB ports, HDMI, and reliable wireless connections to ensure smooth integration with peripherals, external monitors, and home or office networks. Windows 11 Home offers a fresh, modern interface with a rejuvenated start menu and built-in features for productivity, creativity, and communication. From connecting with colleagues and classmates to accessing your favorite content and apps, Windows 11 makes it intuitive and easy. HP also keeps sustainability in mind. The laptop is made using ocean-bound plastic in the bezels and speaker enclosures and post-consumer recycled plastic in the keyboard keycaps. This means you can enjoy advanced technology while supporting environmentally conscious design. Overall, the HP 17.3-inch Laptop 17 CP2199NR is a solid choice for anyone looking for a large, high-performing, and versatile laptop. It's perfect for students, professionals, and casual users who want smooth multitasking, crisp visuals, enhanced connectivity, and advanced features like AI noise reduction and Microsoft Copilot. With a powerful Ryzen processor, 16 GB RAM, and 512 GB SSD, this laptop delivers a balanced mix of performance, style, and eco-friendly design, making it a reliable device for everyday computing needs.